Today I'm showing you how I make a ham for every holiday. To me, the type of ham you select is super important. I prefer smoked bone-in Kurobuta hams, but this recipe works with any kind you have. First, place the ham in a roasting pan and score the fat on top, being careful not to cut into the meat. Next, boil 1 cup sweet white wine with 4 cups water for about 5 minutes. Then pour the liquid into the bottom of the roasting pan and throw it into a 325-degree oven for about 2 to 3 hours. While the ham heats, melt 2 pads butter in a skillet, add a 1/4 cup finely diced shallots and a few thyme sprigs and cook until the shallots get soft. Next, stir in another cup of wine and bring it to a simmer and cook it down until reduced about 10 minutes. Remove the thyme, transfer the shallot mix to a food processor, adding 2 teaspoons fresh thyme leaves, a 1/2 cup whole grain mustard, 1 tablespoon honey, some fresh ground pepper, and a pinch of salt, and blend that really well. When the ham hits 110 degrees, remove it from the oven and brush the mustard mixture over top. Place the ham back into the oven for about 30 minutes until it reaches a temperature of 135 degrees and is golden brown. Remove the ham when it's done, tent with foil, and let rest for 30 minutes. Feel free to use this time to drink any leftover wine and hug a cat. Now, carefully carve your ham however you like and pour the pan juices into a gravy bowl to serve alongside. Savor this holiday ham hot, but again the next day cold for some awesome ham and cheese sandwiches.